All right, so we're leaving for our Euro trip tomorrow. The first half is a work trip for Mick. She's like teaching a master class essentially. I don't know if I should say much more. I'll do some filming over there when we get there, obviously, and show you guys what's going down. But we're gonna pack up the pack right now. So I have like this 42 like liter size or whatever it is bag. Kind of, it's a backpack, but it opens up just like a suitcase, which is kind of nice. So I'm gonna pack pretty minimal on this trip. Like I'm only gonna bring one pair of shoes, like my one skateboard, and then this is pretty much all I'm gonna bring. It's pretty much like 6 shirts I think I have right here. I got like 6 pairs of boxers and some socks in here. One backup pair of jeans, got 1 pair of sweatpants, and I'm gonna bring a bunch of fleeces just because it's a lot more lightweight. We're gonna be in Switzerland at one point and like Austria, and it's gonna be kind of coldish there, so I'm gonna bring these. I'll probably wear one of these on the plane, honestly. Like I'll probably leave this sleeve on the plane. Yeah, I'll wear that on the plane, and then I'll probably pack these 2 bad boys with everything. So yeah, and then we have to pack all the electronics in here as well. Like the reason why I'm like trying to pack as light as I can is we're already bringing 4 different like suitcases. 2 of them are pretty much filled with cookies, and the other 2 are filled with cookie supplies, essentially. And then she's gonna bring another bag full of her clothes. So I'm like just trying to literally bring 1 backpack, and kind of that's it. One part of the trip we're just gonna be like kind of training and stuff and like kind of hopping around. So I feel like the less I bring, the better. This is a bigger bag than I thought. So kind of nice. I mean, these are pretty bulky, but they can be slimmed down. Oh, I can hear the vacuum sealing going. Oh yeah. I got another pack of just like chargers, power adapters, universal like cables and stuff because I know we're gonna be like in a few different places. So I got one of those crazy adapters. Gotta bring the noise canceling headphones for sure. I'm gonna bring my little like iPhone stand too. I'm gonna use it for my Switch as well, and it's kind of nice. It just like folds right up, which is kind of chill. My Switch case, obviously. And then I keep my games now in this little thing. It was like on Amazon's like 10 bucks or something, but keeps all your games in here. It's like silicone and rubber. You can even fit micro SD cards. But yeah, kind of chill too. So pretty chill. It has actually like another big opening right here. So I'm gonna definitely like throw my Switch in there, and then I'm gonna throw my headphones in here. So that seems like it'll be a good spot for all that kind of stuff right there. Zip that up. So that fits like pretty nice. And then I'm gonna put like my toiletries here, and then I have like a controller case, so maybe I'll put that on top, and then I think I'll just put pants just like on top, and that might be it. Yeah, so like here's like my toiletry bag. So just to kind of, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to squeeze honestly both in here. This might be a little hard, I'm not gonna lie. I might have to do something like this. Okay, and then we might have, oh, I think we're gonna be chilling, honestly. So I ditched my toiletry bag. I'm just gonna run everything in these little pockets right here. I think that's gonna be chill, and it leaves a lot more extra space, so that's good. Also, we got the battery pack chargers on deck right here. They have like 14 hours of battery or something crazy like that, but definitely essential for the travel. We got a few masks for the trip. We got a Rose Street hat and a Rose Street beanie. Okay, so today we're finally heading out for our trip. This is kind of like my bag that I'm gonna bring. We have to bring all of this. This is all of Mick's cookie supplies right here, essentially. One bag is like clothes and outfits. She's filming classes, kind of like a master class kind of deal. But also on the trip, we're going to hit Switzerland, and we're going to do some backpacking around there, do some traveling and exploring. But so this is like what I'm going to bring, because I'm going to hit some skate parks. I'm going to skate. So I'm packing pretty minimal, so I don't have to carry around a ton of stuff. So here's my setup. I'm just going to bring these shoes. I just busted them out. I feel like they're kind of fresh. I just love the gum soles. Gums are my favorite. But some cool little orange labels we're going to bring. And then here's like my pack right now. So I finally like got it somewhat like figured out. So I have a few masks in here, my games, my Switch. I have like my contact lenses in here and stuff. I'm going to be throwing my glasses, and my sunglasses are going to be in here. I have both, you know, for I'd Spencer, you know. And then it's taken a while to figure this packing situation out. Some snacks, got some wipes. I got other like toiletries right here, electronics. I was gonna bring my controller, but I decided to bring the little connection piece for the Switch. It's like just this little guy instead, just to like minimize having to bring another freaking thing. So that's in there, headphones are in there, one hat, clothes for like 2 weeks, and yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah, I need to bring a water bottle And yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, I just can't wait to get out there. I'll definitely be posting videos of skating out there and just some other type of vlog stuff. So I'll catch you guys over there.